There's Nemo, Rain. Oh, Neo just wants to play with you. Lino and Levy. Yes, that's Neo. Okay, Levy on the ground. And Rain says he wants some pet too. He's so happy, wagging tail. Did you pet Levy? Yeah, good job. Good job. Good Neo. Good Rain. How about Levy on the floor? Did you get to say hi to Levy on the floor? Now that's Lino. Yeah, Levy there. Hey Rain, don't steal the bone. Neo said, hi Wesley, can you be my buddy? And Lino is just very lazy chewing bone down there. Okay, the one over there on your leg. Yeah, okay. You can go play, Wesley. Thank you so much.